Hello everyone. Tonight for dinner I'm going to be making some meatloaf. And as you can see, I've got all my ingredients here in the bowl ready to go. And in here I've got 2 pounds of ground meat, 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of chopped white onion, pretty big size. So if you get smaller ones, use half. I would normally put bell pepper, but I don't actually have any right now, but it's a good addition, about half of a bell pepper. And then I've got Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, garlic salt, some panko breadcrumbs, because I'm out of the regular breadcrumbs, but this will work too. Or you can actually just crumble up some bread and make your own. And some tomato paste. So I'm going to mix it all up and then transport it into the loaf pan. Okay, so now I've got my meatloaf mixed up and in the pan, and the first thing you'll notice is that there's green stuff in it now when I told you I didn't have any bell peppers. Well, I took a vote and everyone said put a jalapeno, so the meatloaf has jalapenos in it instead of bell peppers. So I'm going to call it meatloaf with a kick. And the second thing you'll notice is that I don't have it in a loaf pan. My loaf pan seemed to accommodate a meatloaf about half this size, like a 1 pound meatloaf, small loaf pan. So I've got it in this Pyrex 6x8. It's still a small pan. It's only 6 inches by 8. And now I'm going to pop it in the oven. And set it on 350 for about 45 minutes. And then come check to see if it's done. And if it is, I'm going to put some ketchup on top and then bake it a little bit longer. Oops. Didn't take. Okay, oven set and on. So 350, 45 minutes, 2 pound meatloaf. And I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, after 45 minutes, I took the meatloaf out of the oven and drained all the grease out that was in here and coated it with ketchup. Now I'm going to put it back in for about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't want to burn the ketchup, so I'll check it after 10 and see if it's done. Okay, so we're set. Oh, you can see I made some gravies too. Bacon and onion, and it's gonna be good. But yep, it's in there. Okay. So after 10 minutes, I've taken the meatloaf out of the oven, and it's time for dinner. And cut it up for everybody. I like this knife. It cuts it pretty good. About 1 inch slices, 3/4 to an inch, about an inch. See how juicy it is. But see, it's cooked all the way through. Looks great. Now I'm going to serve my plate. I'm going to take one from the middle if I can. Oops, I messed my piece up. I sure did. Oh well. Shouldn't have took one from the middle, but I'm real picky and I don't like the end pieces. Other people do, but I like the middle. Get me some green beans. And some baby red potatoes. Looks good. What do you think, y'all? Meatloaf with a kick. Green beans, mashed potatoes. That's what I'm having for dinner. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you.